So these are a black 6-inch heel, open toe. These are a size 8, and I'm going to be trying these on for you today. Exclusive to Shoes of Hollywood, in store. Hi, I'm Ashley and I'm at Shoes of Hollywood today. We're going to be reviewing a gorgeous 6-inch heel, so let's have a look. They are stunning. These are beautiful. So these are a 6-inch open toe. Do have the nice thin heel with the gold detail. I believe these are a size 9. We've got the next one. Beautiful. Let's try these on and see how they feel. These are perfect with a little black dress. Stunning. Let's go for a little walk. They do feel really nice, supportive. Even though they've got that thin heel, we've got that platform, so it does take the pressure off your heel. These are exclusive to Shoes of Hollywood, in store. Now we're going to have to sit down and we'll have a look at the side of the shoe. Get a bit of a closer look. You can pair so many outfits with these shoes. They've got the nice gold detail on the back of the heel. Stunning. So now we're going to go outside and have a walk outside, and we're going to try them out. Be sure to like and subscribe and leave in the comments what shoes you'd like to see next. It can be a bit easier to walk on concrete than it is on the carpet. So you can see them a bit better in the sun. They do have that thin heel, so you do need to be careful. It's a bit glary today. But they are a lot easier to walk in than I thought they would be because of that thin heel. Do you have a pair of black heels at home? They would look gorgeous with a nice black dress. Let's go back inside. They are really comfortable because of that platform. Takes a little bit of pressure off your heel and the ball of your foot. So you can have a little bit of a closer look at the heel before we go inside. Okay. These are the 6-inch black heels, open toe, super comfy. Would be the perfect addition to your collection. If you want to see any more heels, tell us which ones to do next in the comments below. Give us a like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!